Hi friends, welcome to Blended Hearts Homestead. My name is Shannon and this is Levi. And today we're going to whip up a little something different for dessert. We're going to put together a bunch of stuff that we had laying around the house and see how it turns out in kind of a cake slash brownie type concoction. And we're gonna call it garbage cake. So hopefully it turns out good. We'll see what happens. Stick around and we'll show you how to make it.
We gotta call it garbage cake.
Garbage cake. For this recipe, we're going to use vegetable oil, brownie mix or cake mix, whatever you have, 3 eggs, semi-sweet chocolate chips,
Sweet chocolate chips,
Reese's miniature peanut butter cups, cream cheese, unsalted butter, 1 stick, some coconut flakes, and powdered sugar. Now some of the supplies that you're going to need for this recipe are a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, some cooking spray or another medium to coat your baking dish. Got 3 separate mixing bowls here and a hand mixer. And you're also going to need a small saucepan for the stovetop, and we're going to melt down the cream cheese and the butter together in that. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is spray our 9 by 13 inch baking dish.
And we got a bubble maker.
Yes, Levi has a bubble maker. And then we're going to sprinkle our coconut flakes.
I want to sprinkle our coconut.
Sprinkle some on there. Go ahead. Along the bottom of the dish.
That's tickles.
Ooh. Yeah. Just gonna sprinkle about 2/3 cup or so of coconut flakes. All right.
The salty.
Yeah.
The salty.
Salty? No, they're sweet. That's just stuff from the flakes. And then we gotta sprinkle our chocolate chips.
I want chocolate chip.
Our semi-sweet chocolate chips.
I want some
Again,
chocolate chip.
You're using about 2/3 cup of those. And we're just kind of guesstimating here.
That's okay.
We want to put some along in the pan here. Yeah. Next, we're going to unwrap some of our peanut butter cups, and then we are going to crush them into little pieces.
The puncher.
Yeah, go ahead and crush those up. You get them? Really hard sometimes. You gotta use a lot of force. Here, let me show you. Crush them right up. And then we're gonna sprinkle these on top. There you go. There. All right, we're gonna set this aside for a second.
You crack an egg.
Yeah, now we're gonna crack an egg.
2 eggs.
Mommy, get the. We're gonna put our brownie mix or cake mix in the bowl. Levi's already started cracking our eggs. So we need 3 eggs, so he's got 1 already. Thank you, honey. Get that one out. Can you get it? Nice job. There you go, buddy. Put your hands on that towel. Okay, then we have to add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
I want that cup.
Okay, now hold it. There you go. Go ahead and dump that in there.
It turned brown. Want to dump that on it?
No.
Turned brown.
Good, huh? Then we're also going to add 1 1/3 cups of water. Go ahead, add that one in there. Okay, then you're going to have this cup.
A big cup.
A big one.
You gotta fill it up way high.
Okay, dump that in there, bud. All right, then we are going to mix this up with our spoon.
I want to mix it up.
Okay, go ahead.
I can fast that egg down.
Yeah, crush those eggs down. Right. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna pour it over the
Whoa!
ingredients we already put into the baking dish.
That looks yummy.
It does, huh?
We gotta use the mixer now.
Pretty soon. Okay, next we're going to come over to our saucepan. We're going to turn our heat on to low. Get that preheated. We're going to add 1 whole stick of unsalted butter.
Butter?
Yep, unsalted butter. And we're going to add 8 ounces or 1 brick of cream cheese. Melt it down till it is just melty. It doesn't have to be combined, but just melty. We're gonna put it in a bowl and mix it up with a hand mixer even further. All right, now we're gonna take our butter and cream cheese mixture and we're gonna pour it into the bowl with our powdered sugar. Then we're gonna use our hand mixer to mix it all together. So now we are going to take this mixture, pull over our baking dish and pour it right onto here. And you're going to take a butter knife and just kind of swirl it around in there amongst all your other stuff. Then we are going to put this dish into our preheated 350-degree oven and bake it for about 35 to 45 minutes. It's done when it doesn't wobble in the pan if you shake it. The toothpick test shouldn't work because the cake should be more gooey in nature in the inside. And there you have it, a really easy and interesting ingredient type recipe for garbage cake. It came out very good and it's very moist and delicious. If you get a chance to make this, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you like this recipe, leave a thumbs up sign below, subscribe and share. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.